Hi first graders, I've created this lesson today to help with your Lexia lesson on suffixes. So today we're going to learn about suffixes. If you watched my other video, I have one on prefixes too, so you can check that out. Suffixes are word parts that can be added to the end of a base word to change the meaning slightly. So let me show you this word. This word is cup. I can use this word in a sentence. There is a cup. And I know it means there's only one cup. But I can add the suffix s at the end of the word cup, and it will mean that there is more than one cup. So I'm going to add the suffix s. Now there are two cups. So I brought some objects that were around me, and first we're going to say them one by themselves, and then we'll make it plural and add the suffix s. So first I have this. What is this object? Right, this is a clock. So if I write clock, but now I have more than one. So now I have clocks. Add the suffix s. Great. This is a marker. Marker. But now I have two markers. So we'll add the suffix s. Do you know what kind of fruit this is? This is a lime. Lime. But I have two limes. So we're going to add the suffix s. Limes. Good job. To read these words, first I look to see if there's a suffix s at the end of the word. So I circle it. Oh, let's change colors. Next, I underline the base word. Clock. Finally, I write the suffix s next to the word. And now I made the word clocks. So if I circle the suffix, underline the base word marker, I get the word markers. Circle the suffix, underline the base word lime, and I get the word limes. Good. Now, there's another suffix that we use to show more than one, and that is es. We use es when the last letters of the word end with ch, sh, tch, ss, x, or z. So let me show you a couple of those examples. Did not bring an eraser today. Okay. So let's do the word watch, like on my wrist. Watch ends with the word, ends with the consonants tch. Tch. So that gets the suffix es. Now I have the word watches. Good. Another word that uses the suffix es, ish. This word is dish. But I have more than one dish. I have dishes to wash. So, dish ends with the consonants SH, so it gets an ES. Dishes. Dishes. Great. One more word. The root word is class. When we are out at recess, we are outside with other classes. So this word ends with the consonants SS, SS, so it gets the suffix ES. Now we just changed class into classes. Great job. If you don't have a piece of paper or a pencil with you already, this would be a great time to pause the video and go grab one, because I have a couple example words that you're going to practice with me. So you can pause the video. I'm going to erase with my finger. I'll wash my hands when I'm done. Okay. On your piece of paper, I'd like you to write the word cars. Now, when you write cars, I've already added the suffix, so it's up to you to find the suffix and circle it. Then I want you to underline the base word. So we're kind of going backwards. So circle the S and circle the base word, car. This is the word cars. If you only had one car, it would look like that, C-A-R, but you have more than one. Cars. Great. And if you're feeling extra artistic today, you can also draw a picture to match the words as you go, or maybe at the end. Okay, the next word I want you to write down is this word, animals. Find the suffix at the end of the word, underline the base word. Animal. Animal means one. Animals is plural, more than one. Great. Your next word to write down is the word beaches. Write down the word beaches, circle the suffix, underline the base word. You should have circled ES and underline the base word, beach. The word beach ends with CH, so that's why we use ES for the suffix. Great job. The next word I want you to write down is the word coaches. Write down coaches, circle the suffix, underline the base word. The suffix is ES. The base word is coach. And just like beach, if you see there, coach also ends with CH, so we use the suffix ES in this word, coaches. The next word I want you to write down is bugs. Write down the word bugs, circle the suffix, underline the base word, bug. We just use yes or S for this word because it ends with the G, which is not on our chart to use ES. Bugs. Bugses. Doesn't sound right and doesn't look right, so we don't use ES, we just use S. Another word I want you to write down, and the last word for this activity, is the word kisses. Write down the word kisses, circle the suffix, underline the base word. The suffix is es. The base word is kiss. Kiss ends with two s's together, so that's why you use the suffix es. If you didn't use es, it would look like this. That to me looks like the word kiss. That doesn't sound right, or it doesn't look right. That's why we use es. Great job. That's the end of your lesson for today, but I have a couple other suffixes I want to show you before you go. If you've had enough, you can stop the video there and be done, but if you want a sneak peek for some suffixes in the future, stay with me. Okay, let's turn the board back. So two suffixes that you learned about today are s and es, and those are plural to make more than one. But there's other suffixes you've probably seen in your books, in your reading. One of those suffixes is ing. This can be found in words like jumping, jumping. So if we did our skill with circling the suffix, underline the base word, it would look like this. Circle the suffix, underline the base word. Jump. The base word was jump, but because you added ing, you made it jumping, which means you're doing it right now. Great. Another suffix I want to show you today is the suffix er. This can be found in words like big, bigger. So circle the suffix, underline the base word, which is just big, and you just changed big to bigger. So in the story, The Three Little Bears, the mother bear is bigger than the baby bear. The last one I want to show you today, the last suffix is est. Est is the suffix, and you can find it at the end of the word. We're going to use the same base word that we did in bigger to make big est. Circle the suffix, underline the base word, and you just changed the word big to biggest. So Mama Bear is bigger than Baby Bear, but Papa Bear is the biggest bear of them all. So suffixes take practice, but the more you keep practicing and reading these words, you'll get them in no time and be able to read them automatically. I hope you enjoyed doing this lesson with me, and I'll be back for more. Bye!